think now more than ever, it's important that we elevate every single guest experience. Change our mentality. Perhaps we don't own a hair salon, we own a care salon, caring for every strand of hair that we deal with on a daily basis. In my opinion, the sharpest tool in our salons is not our scissors, it's not our razor, it's the sink. It's the way we change everything. The main indicators, we get more referrals, we get more gratuity, we get more recommendations towards treatment, shampoo sales, take-home sales, and the most important, we get word-of-mouth reputation to build our businesses for tomorrow. Take advantage of it, turn your sink into a spa, get into the wash house and start caring for your clients the way they deserve. It is my honor to welcome you two wonderful curly ladies, Miss Mary and Paula. Enjoy the wash house experience with these two dynamic women.
We all know that blondes have more fun, and today in the wash house, we're gonna show how to build your blonde business even bigger. All right, so to start our setup, we have our rectangular towel in here. So I'm gonna take my towel, grab the two corners to make a triangle. That comes into place here, and so my guest is going to be nice and comfortable when they finally come in for their shampoo. So I always like to invite my guests to sit, and I let them know that I will let them come back into the wash house when I'm ready. So I will raise up all their hair. And Riley, go ahead and lie back. So the reason I like to start that way is because it lets the guests know that I will lift their head, I'll turn their head. Their only job is to relax and enjoy the wash house experience. I am using the Paul Mitchell Platinum Blonde Shampoo on Riley's gorgeous blonde hair. I'm really gonna maximize the platinum option and utilize the toning capabilities of my Platinum Blonde Shampoo on dry hair as the beginning of my wash house experience. Applying the Platinum Blonde Shampoo on dry hair in the wash house allows to maximize that neutralizing capability. So whether the guest's hair is gray or blonde, anytime they have brassiness, this will absolutely address it. So now that we've let that sit and we've banished the brassiness, we use water to emulsify the shampoo and begin the scalp massage. So I'm starting at the top of the head and using slow, consistent circles down the head, almost like a headband. Continuing that all the way. And then I just continue working back. So from the front hairline all the way down to the nape. So we get this really consistent, relaxing massage. So a lot of times when you're shampooing, you'll notice, just like Riley did, she is lifting up her head. What I'll do in that situation is I'll ask the guest, go ahead and lay back like my hand is a pillow, and then I have control over her head. So at this point, I can move her wherever I need her in order to create the result that I'm looking for. So in this case, go ahead and lay back like my hand's a pillow. Now I can access her nape. So you use your hand to guide the water, and it's going to work alongside the water. And now that we've finished the hand massage and her treatment is ready to be rinsed, we will take off the hot towel. Amazing. How was your wash house experience? Did you love it? All right, so the first step we're gonna do is this is Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair. So that same incredible benefits that you got from your treatment, we're gonna continue that, sealing and protecting your hair, giving you tons of shine because you're that beautiful, brilliant blonde that needs all the protection as well. So I like to subsection your hair using the Paul Mitchell Pro Stick, and then I'm going to just apply as I go. So this helps me to make sure that I'm saturating every single strand, which is really important. So that's gonna be the first step. I'm gonna have you help me and hold that. And then I'm gonna take my 413. What's really cool about this is you can use it to detangle as well, as long as you hold those bristles vertically. This side is great and will give you more tension for like when you're blow drying. I'm gonna go through. Can you feel how easy it is to detangle? It's the magic of all of the treatments that we had today and also here at Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair. Next up, we're gonna use a little bit of the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam. I'm not gonna say a little bit. We're gonna use the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam. I like to start off with a golf ball size. You have quite a bit of hair. You can always add more, but if you put too much in, then you just have a lot of sculpting foam in your hair. You'll be very sculpted. So if you're blow drying your hair at home, one of the best things to do is I like to recommend pre-sectioning. I know it seems crazy and a very professional thing to do, but it actually makes your job a lot easier because you can really direct your energy to the area that you're blow drying. It's so good. You look gorgeous. Yay! Amazing. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing this time with us in the wash house. We can only now encourage you to use these tips, tricks, and techniques in your wash house on each and every guest.
Be sure to comment below and let us know what that implementation looks like for you. Click like and subscribe to Paul Mitchell Pro and check out all the other videos on Paul Mitchell Pro YouTube.